In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing favorite TikTok sounds. Open TikTok video featuring sound and tap on record icon at the bottom right corner and then select Add to Favorites. Go to your TikTok profile and tap on icon next to her icon and find sounds to access your favorite TikTok sounds. If your favorite sound doesn't appear, close TikTok app completely and reopen it to refresh app. Delete or uninstall TikTok application from your device. Visit App Store or Google Play Store to reinstall app, ensuring fresh installation and updating to latest version. If the issue persists, contact TikTok support directly. Open TikTok profile and tap on three lines and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Report Problem and submit a report detailing your issue. Kindly explain that you are unable to see favorite sounds in TikTok application, despite favoriting them, and request assistance in resolving the problem. After submitting your report, allow TikTok support some time to review and address your issue, usually within a day or two.